A large serving of soup from a takeout restaurant is 4/5 liters. Okay, so this is saying a serving of soup from a takeout restaurant is 4/5 liters. The restaurant has 3 liters of soup. The diagram below models the number of servings of soup. Okay, so I see 3 holes and then 4/5 for each serving. Okay, cool. How many servings of soup does the restaurant have? So here's the thing. So many people got this wrong because they were confused by the diagram. When instead, if you just read the question, we have done questions like this many, many times, and here's why. If you look at the question, the units are both liters. And when we have the same units, we always use a number line. So please make sure you copy this down to remind yourself, same units, we're making a number line. Okay, I'm zooming in right here. I have 4/5 liters, and I have my total, which is 3. So in this number line, I'm going to be counting by 4/5, and I'm not going to pass up 3. Now to make this easier, I like to make them speak the same languages, correct? So this is over 1. If I want to make both of these speak 5, go ahead on the count of 3 and call out, what does this numerator have to be? 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you said 15, because it's times 5, you are correct. So we're counting by 4/5 and not passing up 15/5. So I got 4/5, that's 1. 8/5, that's going to be 2. Thank you for copying this down. 12/5, that's 3. 16/5. Uh-oh, I passed it up because I'm supposed to go to 15/5. So if you remember what happens, and this is a big deal, if we ever pass it up, we always take the total and divide it by what we're counting by. So for this problem, the total is 3 holes. And what we're counting by, go ahead and call it out if you know it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're counting by 4/5. So I'm going to ask you to pause the tape now and please do 3 divided by 4/5. You should know how to do that. Pause the tape now. Alright, if you're back, we'll do this real fast. This is keep the 3/1. Flip, keep switch, and then flip 5/4. This makes 15/4. If we do get off my back, that, my friends, is going to give you the answer of 3 3/4. But we're not done yet. So take a look. Yes, the answer is actually D, but I want to show you something because some people are freaking out here being like, yo, how's the answer D? I don't get it with the picture. So let me explain this with my cute little highlighter. This is 1 serving. This is 2 servings. And this is 3 servings. Okay, so that's where you get the 3 from. But the reason why it's 3/4 as the answer is because, yes, this is 3, but a serving counts as 4 of these, so that's why the denominator is 4. That's a complicated thing to understand with the picture, so just go back to the math that you know how to do and ignore the picture if that's easier for you. The answer to this problem is D, 3 3/4.